Soldiers from Company C, 3rd Combined Arms Battalion, 69th Armor Regiment, 1st Armored Brigade Combat Team, 3rd Infantry Division load an M1A2 Abrams main battle tank onto a U.S. Air Force C-17 Globemaster 3 at Ramstein Air Base, Germany, June 20th. The tanks are the first heavy armor equipment to be air transported by the U.S. Air Force in Europe since the start of Operation Iraqi Freedom in 2003, and will be the first U.S. tanks to fire live rounds at the Novo Selo Training Area in Bulgaria, demonstrating the continued U.S. commitment to our NATO allies. Soldiers from the 1st Brigade, 3rd Infantry Division and Airmen from Ramstein Air Force Base load an M1A2 Abrams main battle tanks onto an Air Mobility Command C-17 Globemaster cargo plane from McCord Air Force Base, Washington. U.S. Army Europe is deploying 2 M1s to Bulgaria in support of exercise speed and power. This is the first time M1A2 tanks have been moved by air within Europe, and the first time Abrams tanks have fired at the Novo Selo Training Area in Bulgaria. The tanks are part of the European Activity Set, which is designed to support the U.S. Army's regionally aligned force. The EAS enhances the capability of the RAF Brigade and provides it the combat systems necessary to conduct unified land operations training alongside European allies and other partner nations in the region. Training that strengthens the interoperability between allied armies, enhances trust, and strengthens the enduring relationships that are the foundation of security in the region. An M1A2 Abrams tank is offloaded from a C-17 aircraft in Bulgaria as part of Operation Speed and Power. Operation Speed and Power will present the first time for an M1A2 Abrams tank fires live rounds in Bulgaria. This operation is a joint training exercise which will demonstrate U.S. Army Europe's preparedness to deliver strategic effect in Atlantic Resolve South by showcasing the freedom of movement to maneuver and fire M1A2 Abrams anywhere along the eastern flank. This ability enables the NATO allies to defend themselves against all threats, and shows that the alliance remains ready to defend itself anywhere at any time. Also available in high definition. One LT Frank Wood, 3-69 Armor, talks about what Operation Speed and Power is. Operation Speed and Power is a joint training exercise which demonstrates U.S. Army Europe's preparedness to deliver strategic effect in Atlantic Resolve South by showcasing the freedom of movement to maneuver and fire M1A2 Abrams anywhere along the eastern flank. This ability enables the NATO allies to defend themselves against all threats, and shows that the alliance remains ready to defend itself anywhere at any time.